Okay, so I have this new Scotland Yard forensic kit. Okay, this is sealed pack, so I will be unboxing it and checking the stuff inside. So it basically has a CD-ROM that I don't have. I don't know how I'm going to play it, but it has a lot of other stuff, so I'm hoping that we can still use it. So let's check. Okay, so here is the box. I have removed the packing and I think it opens from here. Yes. Okay, so it's covered with plastic and it has a thermocol inside. This doesn't look like enough stuff though. It's taped. Okay, I'll just open the tape and then I'll show you the stuff. Okay, so I have removed the plastic. There is this book. I think it has the case history and stuff. So there were later expanded as the force. Okay, so we'll have to read this. This is like a full-on crime mystery that we have to solve, and then there are some evidence pictures and stuff. Okay, then we have a forensics kit handbook. It has this mysterious substances, fingerprinting, paper test, hair and fiber test, chromatography, impression reveals invisible marks. I think we have things to do all of that, and then we put the marks on this. No, it's actually telling us how to do all of that. Maybe I'll have to read it in detail and then find out what this is all about. But anyway, so we have got 2 books so far. Then we have this crime scene examiner card. So whoever is examining the case, they have this ID card. Then we have a couple of these invisible markers. Okay, so it has a lab report, note of interest 1, keynote of interest 2, further test needed, yes or no, UV light test positive, yes or no. So it has all these. Okay, we have a couple of these invisible mark. Oh, these are different invisible marks. We have 1, 2, 3 of these. Then we have impression test. Okay, we have 3 of these. Then we have fingerprints. Okay, I think we have 3 of each type. So we have fingerprints. Then we have mysterious substance. So all those things that we read about earlier in the book, we have all of that here. Okay, so these are all the cards that we will use. Then we have a lot of stuff here. This is for, I think, collecting evidences. This is a tray where we can have like 6 different things. And this is a tape. Do not cross tape. Okay, so we can actually make a physical crime scene and we can mark it. What is this? Some sort of impression clay. Okay, I think this has hardened, so we can use some Play-Doh or something. Okay, then we have, there are so many things. This is the fingerprint ink pad. Okay, this is, I think, a magnifying glass where we put the thumbprint in, I suppose. Okay, I am unable to open it with one hand, that too my left hand. This is a magnifier for anything actually. we can magnify whatever is needed. Okay, then we have a tweezer to collect evidence. Then we have these evidence, fingerprint. Okay, so these are some sealed things that are evidences. Okay, we have some sealed evidences inside. We have fingerprint dusting powder. Okay, sorry, this is the dusting powder and this is evidence. Case 2 hurried email note, blackmail note. Okay, so this has the blackmail note, it's an evidence. Then we have pen. I think this is the magic ink pen, yes. Okay, then we have a dropper to maybe collect more evidence. Then we have a brush. Oh, this is so cool, to dust off the excess powder and find some fingerprints or something. Okay, then we have some more stuff here. It has a lot of stuff. A 50-pound note. I so wish this was real money. The marked money. Okay, so I think it has more than one types of cases inside. So we have a couple of cases to solve. What just fell out? Something fell out of here. Oh, this is the CD-ROM. I don't have a CD player, so I don't know if I'll be able to use it. Then we have, what is this? The stolen sunset. So there is a robbery case. Okay, I think there are different types of cases and they have packets of evidence for each case. So there is this evidence bag with something inside, an evidence pen, maybe it has some fingerprints on it. Then I know what happened. This is the blackmail note, I suppose. The hurried blackmail note, yes. There is more evidence about this. Okay, then we have some magnifying slides. It has some sort of samples, maybe a cloth sample that someone was wearing or something of that sort. Then this is somebody's ring. Somebody dropped a ring maybe at the crime scene. And we have a lot of these. We have something more. This is the chromatography. I don't know how to pronounce this. Chromatography test strips. I hope I was close to the correct pronunciation. Finger marks, lifting strips. Okay, so you don't basically touch the finger mark, you put the strip and then you pull it off. Okay, so this is all done. This is exciting. I'm sure my boys are going to love it. They love solving crime mysteries and all. So I'm also excited because I also love doing that. I so hope that I find a CD player so that we can do this full on. Otherwise, we'll just have to use the book and then do our bit. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is the set if you want to buy it. Okay, this is the forensics kit. It has 4 crimes to solve. So I was saying that we have a couple of these, so we have 4 crimes here. Okay, so I think there is a robbery, there is something else and something else. Impression reveal, yeah, all of this. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe for more content.